Oh.
Guys, ang i-share ko po sa inyo ay based po sa experience ko. Grabe ito, wala pa lang ako sa mundo ni Meta. At dahil po marami ang nag-comment regarding po dito.
Ano na yan? Sabi.
Ginawa ko po ulit ang para malaman
Hindi ko tatapusin ng
ano
video.
ang ani na bawal na video na yan. At tanongin muna natin ang ating mga sarili kung bakit nga ba tayo nag-turn on ng professional mode. Bakit nga ba? Dahil nakikiuso lang? Trending? Or dahil libangan lang? Kung yan po ang dahilan nito ay pwede bang hindi naman professional mode? Pwede bang gumamit ng reels kahit hindi naka-turn on yan? At may enjoy nyo rin naman. Kaya po kayo nag-turn on ng professional mode ay dahil may pera, earnings, pera. At masasabi kong ito talaga ang reason bakit natin mag-implementa. Which is ito dahil malaki.
Send na po ito. Bakit siya nagsend ng tato? Ano man yan si ano?
Which is napakagandang
Ang kulit niya naman.
dahil malaki ang may tutulong nito.
Saan kaya sinunod doon?
Kung sakali na
Ha?
mapagtagumpayan natin,
Well, hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo na tinitignan?
monetize dito sa Facebook.
Hindi pa.
Ang lahat po ay hindi nadadaan sa madalian, sa shortcut or magic. Kung gusto niyo po na mag-monetize sa videos, kailangan ito.
Parang inasa niya naman ano?
Kailangan mag-aralan
Ate.
kung paano
Parang, wow, nagbigay.
huwag
Hello?
basta-basta magsisimula ng
Kung milyonaryo lang tayo, it's okay.
at baka masayang lang ang effort ninyo in the long run. Later on, ay puro pala ang i-upload natin na video. At
Coranda?
hindi na po mag-monetize.
Puro ano?
Ito guys,
Teka lang.
babanggitin ko
Violation.
yung mga format ng video ay kailangan niyo po itong pili. At panigurado po na hindi kayo mamamonetize. At kung kayo naman po ay monetize na at nakapag-upload kayo ng ganitong mga video, ay malaki ang chance na magkaroon po kayo ng violation once na nadaanan ng AI ang upload ninyo. Number 1, static video. Ito yung isang picture na nilagyan nyo ng effects or music. And then yung music na ninyo ay galing sa Facebook library or yung mga licensed music. Bawat bawal po ito at pakikinig po agad. Number 2, static image calls. Ito po guys yung number 1 na example ng engagement bait. Yung nag-aas ka ng engagement sa audience mo para ang comments at pag-usapan ito. Yung isang picture na nilagyan mo ng choices. For example, yung nagtatanong ka sa audience kung ano ang masarap na prutas. Mango ba or banana? At dito mo mag-i-start ang polls. Kung ang pipiliin ng audience mo is mango or banana ba? Bawal na bawal po ito. At hindi ka po mamamonetize. Number 3, slideshow of images. Ito naman yung maraming pictures. Sama-sama niyo po at ginawang video. At nilapatan mo rin po ito ng music. Bawal na bawal din po ito. Number 4, montages. Isang picture din lang po ito na lalagyan ng text. Halimbawa, motivational or message or tula or anything na text na ilalagay mo sa picture. At ilalagay mo yung gagawin mo. Hindi po ito pwede. Pag-ibig po at magkakaroon ka ng problema later on. Number 5, looping videos. Ang halimbawa nito ay yung may itim video, like AIRA. Ulit-ulit ito play para magmukhang mahabang video. Bawal din po ito guys. At may pinag bawal din po ito.
Eh di mag-out na ako.
sa Facebook dahil hindi
Ano?
Eh di mag-out na ako. Lahat pala bawal eh. Puisit.
ay nag-violate ka sa community guidelines. At hindi ka mamonetize.
Baka kaya nga na-violate ako, Mhean.
Saan?
Kaya
Diba?
Bakit?
Sa ano ko, di ba yung may mga 7 videos?
Ano pitong videos? Ano yun?
Na-violate ako sa stars.
Sa stars nga. Hindi naman yung sa video. Kasi hindi naman static yung video mo, oy. Hindi naman pinagsama-samang picture.
ng content monetization policies ninyo. At kung eligible ka na sa monetization tools na stars, ads on reels at in-stream ads, may tinabag ka sa isa sa anim na prohibited activities, ay maaari ka magkaroon sa monetization limited violation.
Minsan kasi, yung mga content creator, gumagawa din sila ng totoo na yung video. Hindi naman talaga po.
Ano gagawin natin sa patatas?
Sasabihin
Ayun,
ko sa
save mo
inyo
na.
na hindi lahat ng sinasuggest ni Meta ay safe.
Yeah.
Gamitin. Yung pong sinasuggest ni Meta na iwasin sa mga pictures ay general po yun. Para po sa lahat ng Facebook users. Ang general mga sinasuggest na gawin ang pictures ay patungkol po yun sa mga regular na FB users. Or yung
Kaya pag yung mga sinasuggest na meta, dapat hindi ka maniniwala doon masyado.
Hindi rin pala lahat.
Oo, hindi lahat kasi nga, minsan yung pang dahilan ng kakaroon mo ng ano, hayaan mo lang siya.
lalo na po doon sa mga babago pala ng content creators. At para po sa mga updated na tutorials dito sa Facebook, follow and share.
Ito rin pala doon na ito. Pasaway na ito eh.
Lock din ang ano.
Kakainis din pala siya eh.
Video na bawal i-upload sa Facebook. At
Bababawan mo na agad ng tubig.
monetize. Ang share ko po sa inyo ay based po sa
Hi! Hooray! Hello!
kahit nung nagsisimula pa lang ako dito sa mundo ng mesa. At dahil po marami ang
Kaya nga, hayaan mo lang yung... Which country? Philippines! And where are you from? Philippines! Philippines! And the winner is Philippines! Ginawang present.
Kung yan po ang dahilan ninyo ay pwede namang hindi na mag-turn on ng professional mo.
India! Oh, hi! Say hi from India.
Kahit hindi naka-turn on yan. At isipin nyo, marahil kaya po kayo nag-turn on ng professional
India!
ay dahil may money kayo. Pera, earnings, payout.
You are from India. Hello.
Alam mo, hindi suplada si Marie. Lagi niya ako sinasagot.
Ano?
Hindi siya suplada. Lagi niya ako sinasagot.
Oh, that's nice.
Baka 4 na sagot na siya sa akin.
Ikaw?
Oo.
Kaisa lang.
Thank you so much. Sabi niya. So, wait. Kasi naman maganda naman yung ano ko sa kanya. Baka naman kasi sa'yo.
Sino?
Wait lang ha.
Anong sa'yo?
Anong shell?
Anong sa'yo?
Kasi maganda yung ano ko sa kanya. Wait.
We
Screenshot.
stereotype Filipinos
Naiinis
as
din
weird.
ako.
We stereotype Filipinos as weird. What? We are not weird. We are beautiful.
What?
Stereotype. We stereotype Filipinos as weird. We are not weird, you know. Hello.
What
We are
the?
not weird.
Nerds?
We are
Hello?
not weird. Hello.
What do you mean by that?
I said weird, not weird. You say weird. We are not weird.
Sabi mo lola ko. That's my grandmother.
Weird. Ano bang
Nerds.
Nerds. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Nerds, yung mga matatalino na nakasalamin na nakaano. Yung para si Steph. Ay.
Ah,
Yung mga
Nerd?
nerds, yung mga nerds, ibig sabihin yung mga
kala ko parang baliw.
matatalino na nakaano lang.
I said weird, not weird.
We are not nerds. We're just normal people.
Studies all the time. Oh!
Nerd is a person who is stuck is. Yes, I know. But we are not like that. soy. We like to party.
We like, eh.
We like to party.
We are a party girl. We are not a study girl. You know. Studies all the time.
Akala mo lang yun, studies all the time. Ay. Nagalit pa mo.
Hey, are you ladies into clubbing? What clubbing? You mean in the club? No.
Ay, Diyos ko. Alam mo sa totoo lang.
Party, not clubbing. Ano sa totoo lang? We are not clubbing. We are not like that. We do a party.
Parang nabasa ko.
Alin? Where are you working at? We are working in a kitchen. We are making food. We are a chef.
Jealous of another. When you're actually busy building your own life, you don't care who
Wanna work in my kitchen, be mine. Wanna work in my kitchen, be mine. It's your kitchen. Why, do you have a restaurant or something?
Yes.
Do you have a restaurant so I can work with you?
your next check.
We are professional, huh?
And that is the real difference. It's not that she's prettier, it's not that she's luckier. It's that
Ang taray.
women waste energy comparing others turn that energy to action. And that's why their lives lose.
Oh yeah? Are you sure?
Watching the others building, one is talking, the other is executing. Because at the end of the
Are you sure with that? Is that a 5-star restaurant? Thank you. Are you sure? Wala.
I-remix ko nga si Ate din. Ay, pwede siya magpa-remix. Wait. I-remix natin sa Glitzy na making.
No, just basic hotels in Mumbai, India. I own 6 of them. Each one is approx $500K worth. Oh, that's good for you.
Paniwala ako sa charot-charot ka lang dyan.
Oh, that's good for you.
Sa tingin mo
You can-
kung totoong kanya yun, may time siya magganyan-ganyan.
Tumigil ka nga ate, inaano ko lang inuuto ko rin din naman siya. Maniniwala ba ako sa gano'n?
Sabihin ko siya
Oh,
charot.
that's good for you that you have a. I wanna to you girls for hardworking.
Hello.
We are very happy here, and we don't need we have a high salary. That's enough.
Hello! Tinakpan niya nagsasalita.
Sige nga, sabi mo nga.
Ang mga akong sinacharot-charot dyan.
If you have a 6 restaurant, approx $500 worth, why you still why you have time to go in YouTube?
Kaya, patay ka. Oh.
Wala na ba siyang karapatan pumunta ng YouTube?
Wala siyang karapatan.
I know if you have owned that, then you are very busy, right? You don't have time for this kind of
Pretend to be like everyone else. I don't want to be. I don't pretend to be.
Sorry, but we are not interested. I was joking. Lul, I'm minor. Oh, you joking? Ha 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 ha. Very funny.
Papanuwala ako sa ano dyan. Naglolo ko tayo na.
Oh, you joking? Okay, very nice joke.
Also a joking.
We also joking. I like I said, Filipinos are intelligent. Yes, of course. We can joke. We can go with your trip, and we can also do a joke. Parang gusto ko yung accent ni Miss yung babaeng pinanood natin. Like I said, Filipinos are intelligent. Yes. We cannot make us fool. We can also joke, yeah? Filipinos. Super shadow goal. Hello. Nah, wrong spelling. Oh, wrong spelling. What is that? What do you mean by intelligent? It's not intelligent? It's not intelligent? Not intelligent? What do you mean? Super shadow goal. Hello. Take me as I am for the people. Yeah, you're right. I had a Filipino teacher. Where are you from? Super shadow goal. Ray, you're right. I had a Filipino teacher. You have a Filipino teacher. Where are you from? Super shadow. Super shadow is a... Ate, where are you gonna be this?
Magbabalis na ako sa tayo.
Okay, baboos. I'm from Turkey? Is that Turkey? Where's that? Turkey, right? Are you from Turkey? Yes. Okay. Oh. And after teacher. And are you living in Turkey right now? Or you are in other country? Yes. I'm from the other country.
Di ba may gunting tayo?
Wala na nga, kasi nga
Nasaan
naputol na. Tinapon ko na, di ba?
Hindi, dito meron din tayo, di ba?
Hindi, nasa ugasan.
Okay, ito. Ito. Kailangan ko silang gunting ka.
Coming to the room again. I'm to live my life without you. Hello, 11 viewers. How are you? One second. You're so far away. Learn to live my life beside you. From within, I have learned to live my life. So far away, it wasn't perfect. Kindness warning from within. I learned to live my life beside you. Here tonight, it wasn't prepared. Kindness warning from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. You are my sunshine in my house. I love you, baby. I just tired all night. I need you, baby. And there's a lonely night. I need you, baby. That's what I said. So pretty little baby. And it's so quiet, alright. I need you, baby. And there's a lonely night. I need you, baby. The multi-universe, is this Sora Al? Nope. No, it's not. And on a lonely night, I need you, baby. What is it? So pretty, little baby. It's good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. I wanna hold you so much. Baby. So pretty little baby. It's good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. I wanna hold you so much. It's good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. So, okay, goodbye and